I am here vibing with one of the greatest dancehall DJs of all time, a living legend. His parents named him Moses Davis, but we know him as
Zaga. Zo.
Father Moses.
Where are you?
All things well, sir.
Blessings, my
Manners
lord.
and respect.
Yes,
Now
God.
color something in them time. Yeah.
Oh, then I say, go man, color, you know.
Color. Then
Yeah,
be this
man.
a ask, sir.
Yeah, man. They have, them, you know, we're green to one.
Then be this a ask,
Yeah,
sir.
color, man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Doc, man look young and fresh, sir.
They have a fresh man.
22nd August of your birthday. How much
Yeah.
you be that day there?
Oh, something.
So, man I do well do.
Yeah, Rastafari, but something.
So,
Yeah, so my birthday organized, everything all good, and yeah, I'm gonna be something.
yeah, gonna be something. Boss.
Yeah, so seriously.
Talk to us though.
Yeah,
Early life.
Early
Place
life.
of birth.
My place of birth is Waterhouse, Kingston 11, like literally place of birth in the barn, in a yard. 11 until late.
No hospital setting.
No hospital settings. I'm born in the yard. So if I say place of birth, I actually born in my yard.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, and then I left and go Bay Farm Road go live. And then I think 77 one of them time there. 76. Yeah, 76. It was politics time.
Politics time
Yeah,
again.
I have Yap Sam them and Bunny Wizzy them and
Yeah.
I say any man will say PNP have to cut. Because them time they will live our Lime Tree Lane, I think. Yeah, Lime Tree Lane was the name of the lane.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were living there. Nice house, you know, 4-bedroom. I have my own room. Me and my brother Zina, TV room, kitchen, inside bathroom. My sister them around my next room. That's my mother and father room, the right, that's one thing. Nice house. We have to run left that. Zine, because of politics, we end up back down our Waterhouse. Because remember, we give up the land and everything our space.
Yeah.
So we have to come back, end up building up a 1-bedroom where all of we there, you know, I think it was 1980, hurricane came.
Allen.
Yeah, and dropping our house. The one, the what you call that tree there? It's a hockey tree.
Yeah.
Cause we grew up in the hockey tree, you know, like we actually grew up in the hockey tree. So we would have all the house all night hockey tree, like seriously. The hockey tree are a place of playing. See? Them man make boat skate and them thing there when man a youth man grew up there. So that's really when my life start as a youth.
Yeah.
The Waterhouse. My born there and my life start back there. See? That's when I realize I'm stammer and I can't talk. So I get to figure out say I can do music. So take on music. So I start the music now, I realize say, all right, I can talk without stutter, you know, and thing, and I continue doing the speed rapping thing and the music, and the faster the music is, the better I can talk, because sometimes it's hard for me to form one sentence.
That's how bad it was?
A way I say, man, it take me a minute to say, wicked 1 minute.
Yeah.
All right. Just say, me and you wouldn't have been having this conversation if
It wasn't for music.
it wasn't for music. Just
Yeah.
put it like that.
Oh.
Yeah. Me have to write out everything we want to say. Right? Interview got too long.
Yeah.
And I thought the interview got too long. And this is when me have age 4.
4.
Yeah. So me realize that music is my life. There's nothing else I can do more than music.
Yeah.
So I didn't know what I say, all right, how am I going to deal with this? And because my mother is Christian, so I grew up on gospel, you know that. Like Cross the Bridge and all them songs there. Where you see me turning now, Bad Man song back in there.
Yeah.
And them songs them I grew up on. See it? So I need you to know that. And country and western, like you take the long time to leave me, Lucy.
Yeah.
With 3 younger children. Yeah, that's my song, them song there. See it?
Yeah.
So in my house, I can only sing them song there. You send me go a road, yeah, man. Lyrics like dirt, some different lyrics. Because, all right, here go on now. Me love reggae music, but me love dancehall.
Yes.
See? All right. You see the people them where me know are musicians, like people that play music for a living. See? And them people them I know, like my uncle, Sidney Wolf, him play percussion for Jimmy Cliff. So
That's the man where people out there know as Knowles.
yeah. See? And so you can seriously, I have a serious nose. You have to know anything. So.
Yeah.
Serious nose.
Yeah.
Yes. People always just say nose, but I'm nose. Seriously. But anyway, Bamsa is a man who always talking about singing. Because I must say, singer always last, you know?
Last longer than
Yeah, don't be
DJs.
the DJ business. I mean, I say, he's not one of them DJ where I go last for 2 years and 3 years. I must say, oh, you know that. Because, you know, I mean, I say, everything, Chris, man. Because I'm coming here to stay.
Yeah.
You see? So that, my yard name is Dean. So them used to call me Papa Dean. So them I try to give me a name. You have Solomon now, which is the big man of the yard. See? Solomon now. Every day I ask him. Because be a question I ask him. You know? Like me, I say, all right, how it go when you sing a song and it bust? Him say, you collect royalties and all them things. And I say, all right. So you come on TV and them things. I say, yes, because the more popular the song get, you know, the more you get popular.
Yeah.
So it's not only the song, it's about you making yourself, putting yourself out there. So you have to know what you're singing out there so people can know you. So
Yes.
he must say, you know, say, it's not Dean for name BEENIE Man.
Yeah.
Yeah. I say, why? Because he say, he's a big man trapping a little boy body. And from that, no man can call me no Papa Dean, you know.
And you were about, what, 4 or 5 at the time?
5, yeah, both 4 or 5. Yeah, me not reach 5 yet.
Yeah.
And when me reach 5 now, I start decide my mind, say, I hit this, you know.
Yeah.
So my uncle have a sound here, Master Blaster. And me know say you have to practice a yard before you go abroad. Because it's something that your mother teaches as a little youth. See? So when me do now, I find a Tubby's Rubber Dub album. And when I mean rubber dub, I mean an album with pure rhythm.
Yes, that's
Only rhythm
instrumentals.
alone, pure instrumental. Yeah, and I put it on and I learn for DJ upon those rubber dub rhythm, like bass line and
Yeah.
so I learn key and timing. And then you have a bar out on the top of the road named Arnold Bar. When we go there, I go right at the jukebox and I punch B6. At the B6 are the rhythm there, Shankai Shank. And then you have D7 are the answer. And so you learn for DJ upon them rhythm there. Like, and then you learn balance and so I start put lyrics together because me that for DJ other people's songs. You get to me, I say, like, remember when Turn Me Loose released, remember when Johnny Dollar released, remember when them songs was some of my favorite songs them. My God, my King, him name Jah. Them time me a DJ already. When them songs they release, me a veteran. When them songs they release, me a veteran. But songs when me used to sing, like back in them days, is you know, me used to build my lyrics. Me have a friend named BEENIE Man. Zane, bad DJ. Seeing but him have car say it no work out for him, cause people can't look on him. I don't know where you know. But him bad.
Yeah.
Bad DJ now. But them man they can't bust, cause them man they have them can't bust. Unless him wear dark glasses. Naga can't see. Seriously. But him bad, you know.
Yeah.
So me and BEENIE Man now, my bill of lyrics I say, me is a youth, me don't chat slackness. But me want all man, if you know this, who love go a dance and use your penis, you will catch VD and catch syphilis. And always don't a complete in it, that a sliping road.
Yeah.
Enough people don't know where clean it. The doctor, there's something the doctor they call it, the boom, and the doctor say if you stop the days though. When you get the something you know say it's sweet, but 3 days after your things start leak, you know say you're selling tough to do it and yo, a murder. Then them bring in sex awareness thing, and that was the thing where I go on in Jamaica. Me I said, me have the right lyrics.
Yes.
Then them have one contest over Pembroke with some big artists. When we say big artists at the time is who win the Tastes talent show, like you have Nadine Sutherland in them time there. When she win the Tastes, you have Junior Tucker and then people there. But you'd have singing and DJ contest
Okay.
at the time. So me go enter the DJ contest with my lyrics now, sex awareness lyrics. Every man attack a bag of thing and it nah work. None of them don't sound like my lyrics.
Yeah.
So I put on the Shankai Shank and go up on the stage. Man, a problem. Me is a youth, me don't chat slackness. But me want all man, if you know this. Who love go a dance and use your penis, you will catch video. Yeah, murder.
Murder.
I lift them, come lift me up off my stage.
Yeah.
And give me a trophy, you know. I'll know a contest not done, the judge them not get for vote yet, you know.
You were how old?
5-year-old.
5.
Yeah. Sex
Nah.
awareness thing.
Okay.
We are doing one. When I reach them, they lift me up on them shoulder and carry me over water. So me are the man, I win the competition and everything. Nobody not take away my money. Them carry 3 boxes of beer them give if you win.
Yeah.
And then you look at thing.
Yes.
Yeah. You have that one thing and you get some sex awareness book and thing and you get 2 pack of condom to give it to your family and thing. Some big box. Them time there,
Yeah.
I which was the condom again? Panther.
Panther.
Yeah, that was Panther a long time. Yeah,
Long time.
Good. I don't get that. Cover Waterhouse and a murder. Then after that, you have Christmas time, St. Patrick's School, Father Fear. We got on there, Barry G did it there.
Great Barry G.
That time there, yeah, I never forgot that. Barry G was the MC and DJ contest come up now and I say, all right. I go enter this DJ contest here. Nobody not tell me nothing. I go enter this DJ contest and everybody I say, no sir, some big man in it, you have a lose and whatever. I say, see, encouragement, sweet labor, you know, and encourage me, discourage me. See? All right, I have a friend named Black Mice. So you hear every man from Waterhouse and talk about it.
Yes.
It's my friend and me bring him in the music. See?
Yeah.
Because Black Mice is not a DJ now. But him want DJ, you know when them man we have to DJ, because me and him apart.
Yes.
See it? So, me and Black Mice did it now. Them contest and competition, and man start write down name and Ray, and me I say, all right, me I go for it. Big distraction, you know. Me I tell you, man DJ run on the stage and chat one lyrics and tear down the whole place. Now we don't know what we're going to do now, where we're going to DJ so now, for go around him.
Yeah.
Because he's my DJ about the place.
Yes.
All right. Me have a friend named General Leon. See him? Him have a lyrics over Waterhouse. But through him bust a Waterhouse, him not there nowhere else. So you see what we there now, down at St. Patrick's School, Barry G called me up now, I'm going to go up on the stage and me I say, all right, what am I going to do? I'm going to run on and then put on the rhythm. And my lyrics, I say, beat down the fence and me will pay the expense. Beat down the fence and me will pay the expense. Ben's word must see them a beat down the fence. Don't lane must see them a beat.
Yeah.
A murder. A murder.
Yeah?
Because everybody were there. Me I sing about it now. So,
yeah.
So let's
You
try
represent for your
yes,
place
so me
there.
because Waterhouse me come from.
Yeah.
See it? Some they can and them there and boom and say me I tell you God the place mash up. And me I say what? It's a work, you know. See it? Alright, that day there, me was overwhelmed because Barry G take off the matter off my head and put it from my head and say, King and thing and you run the thing and from me a 5 in me I say, yo,
5 you're king.
I murder them dead now. You see after that, me decide say, alright, music.
Yeah.
So I start practice in my yard every day. The sound string up, my practice. And, you know, you're the thing go, you start, get up in a years, now you're 6, 7. And me I say, all right, I'm ready. No, me not get no more, me don't even take on no more contests after that, you know.
Oh, just practice.
Yeah, because my mother get serious for me now when I say school. Because 1 grade now, a 6-year-old, you know the thing go.
Yes.
Yeah, you bother ramping my mother, you know.
Serious
She
business.
will break your face.
All right, we are all it, so we are go back before we come back, yes sir. Remember, 6 with the you know.
6 with it.
Zane, you stuttered badly as a child.
Yeah, very.
And you say now that forget over that you start
Sing.
Yeah.
I sing everything. Reading book.
Yeah.
List to the shop. Everything. 2 pound of flour, 3 pound of chicken back. See it?
Yeah.
Big Gilla aisle, look 2 cut of butter. 1 tomato and 2 scallion, everything where they on the list. Me have to sing it.
Yeah.
Sis, the woman who used to own the shop when I go to the shop, she She wait for me to come my shop, you know, to sing for her every day.
Yeah.
When we there at school, and them say read, the whole classroom they pan.
You know, Moses are going to sing, you know.
I sing, me I go
Yeah.
sing, because they read, you're a madman. We say, you must sing that. That's not right. Not right. Because me use a shame for talk, you know. One time them used to want to have me dumb, you know. I not talk. Everything I go say, I'm afraid to say yes, man. Yeah, you eat that. Two things me afraid of. My stammerness and my name.
Moses.
What?
Why?
Because any given day I can name Joseph, Jeremiah and them. Yeah.
Bible thing.
If I have a Bible name, beat you down. And that's why them have me as Anthony Moses Davis, but it's Moses Anthony Davis.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Cool now, cool
When I
now.
run joke,
Yeah.
the one man mix up my name.
Yeah.
So Anthony easy have a card.
Yes.
So it light up on the lips, good. I don't want a man say, what name again? Benjamin. So yeah, that's what that.
Yeah. Since as we are talking about school now, though, where did you attend school?
Oh, Jews Avenue Primary School. Me go to Arnold Basic School. Them used to call it Arnold Dunsbat.
Why?
Them say I be a Dunsbat go there. But at the brightest school.
Yeah.
Because that's how I learn my ABCs and my 1, 2, 3s and Zane and all of these things. So I go Jews Avenue Primary School. That is where most of us from Waterhouse.
Okay, yes.
See it?
Yes.
That's the school where we go. Jews and they have St. Patrick, I have Balmogy. See it?
Yes.
Three are top school them. See? Any man who come from Waterhouse not go and none of them school there. Him parents rich.
Yeah?
Yeah, because you have man that go a half a tree primary and them thing then. Yeah, that me I tell you. Because them know why you go to Jews and them thing.
Okay.
When I leave Jews and school, me pass, you know. Because we take
Common entrance.
yeah, in a 10 in a 5th grade. I'm pass. But here I'm to me now.
Music.
Me have yeah. Me have to take a pass for the pass.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that. So I went to Jews and primary school. I end up going to Pembroke and Penn round the road. The school name Penwood.
Penwood. But a
Penn
Penwood.
round, yeah, Penn round the road. Yeah. me not go up.
Penwood.
No, I go up Penn round the road.
Yeah.
But the school name.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Blessings.
But you never finished Penn then?
No, I finished 2 school because I go as Anthony Moses Davis and go as Moses Anthony Davis. you have to know the thing. Go.
Yeah.
Finish, man. I go 11th grade and them thing.
Okay, cool now,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Cool now, man. Cool now, cool
Then
now.
you have to learn, man.
Yeah.
You can't have 5th grade education. That don't make no sense.
No, that's it.
That's why.
Yeah. How many siblings you had though?
How many siblings? In my family?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. By my father's side or by my mother's side?
Alright, give me father's side first.
Seriously? I'll know me don't find the rest of them.
Yeah, but give me a, you don't have no idea, no figure.
About 37.
About 37.
Yeah.
How much money you have?
Oh, 13.
13.
Yeah.
50 that enough.
Oh, my siblings them are more than that, but they tell us me don't find the rest of them.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, my mother, yeah.
So how many of you were in the house growing up with mommy though?
As youth?
Yes.
Whoa. I'm not far away now, but some of us would have a ship off.
Yes.
We have father and things. So, through the politics thing, and we'd have to move out of the house where we live in. So the 1 bedroom couldn't hold all of us. So
Yes.
Sharon, which is my big sister now, she'd have to go live with her father. Peter, my next big brother, have to go live with him father. Donovan, have to left go a country. Down her grandmother and thing, excuse me.
Yeah, man.
Donovan have to left go a country, down her grandmother and thing. Yeah, but it was me, Mark, Patrick, that I'm my next big brother. He might want to build the house. Them man in a ramp, you know. You'd have to just give him board and nail. And man, they had it done. Just build a house.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man they had it done, man. Ramp it. Man, him used to play the sound, Master
Oh,
Blaster.
okay. Oh,
Yeah.
cool now, cool now, cool
Yeah,
now.
man, King Prof.
What was it like growing up though, being from a financial perspective?
You know, well, money wasn't my problem because I was 5, 6 years old. And when I was 7, I realized that money is important.
Yeah.
Because I have 1 shoes. And the next youth to live over there say, have 3 shoes. I don't know why I have 3 shoes and me have 1 shoe. I get to realize I'm broke and hungry.
Yeah.
See? So the 1 shoes, I have to go to school and then go to church. See? And after that, a barefoot settings, you know the thing. See? And I have 3 shirts in my way. I have a red one, and a brown one, and a blue one. And I have a t-shirt to match them. And every week, I them I beat.
Yeah.
See? I have 1 white shirt and 1 grey pants, and I wear to church every Sunday. I have no going out clothes. Because I can't find nothing to fit me. I look like stick. So I get to realize, you have to start make money. This is why I enter Tasties. It's never for popularity nor anything. Tasties give you 1 year supply of party when you win.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can sell a party there. Because I don't eat beef. So
From them time you know.
no, your mother is a Rasta yard I grew up in.
Mommy a Ras.
My mother are Christian.
A Christian.
She's 7-day Adventist.
Yeah.
So you can't be gonna poke to her, she will chop off it. So and then Solomon them a full Rasta because Solomon was the president of the Ethiopian Orthodox Federation
Yes.
of Jamaica.
Yeah?
Yeah. What is man? A
No
Ethiopian
me.
come from
Yeah.
yeah man. He came from Ethiopia and he went back there and died there.
Oh,
Yeah.
you realize from them time.
Yeah,
you
from
say,
them time they are poor.
You're poor.
Not now go on. Because here go on now. I get to realize that I live in the Migla somebody else yard too. Because which part we there, we there in the Migla one yard. You know? Oh. Seriously.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have 1 boardhouse here, so our next boardhouse over there, so one red house. It's which part? Silver used to live. Which him was one of my mentor. Silver, like seriously. Silver Wolf. Seeing? Me that him a one of my father them.
Yeah. What you mean father them?
One of my father, 3 father I grew with, you know. 3 people take care of me as them son.
How come?
Because I am that awesome. What you talking about?
It could be just that.
What we are talking about? It could be just that. Just that, brother. We are talking
Yeah?
about. Yeah, man. They have kids who have potential and them see that. Me no run joke in my mind. From me, I look at youth. All right, you know Dan Carlos?
No.
You ever hear of Dan Carlos?
No.
He's the
can't
first
say.
singer from the Black Oro group.
Oh, no.
Dan
I'm not
Carlos.
familiar with the name still.
Yeah,
but-
me just want to know still. Dan Carlos, he was the postman in a Waterhouse.
Yeah?
Yes, that man will give me orange and banana every morning. Just keep up your voice, youth. Because for me, I look at youth, me I do music, you know. So understand, say people is fascinated with I and I.
Yes.
Zane, so you have to know these things. Zane, you have Raskabi, and then Raskabi, you remember Raskabi?
Raskabi
The
a
festival
legend,
thing?
man.
All right, good. You have Ras Michael and Son of Negas. And then you have, what name? Ijaman Levi.
Ijaman Levi.
And them man, they encourage me to do music, you know.
And all of them man, they did their own. You know,
Yes,
them
man.
time there.
Yes, man. Jimmy Cliff, Danny Dread.
Yeah, Danny Jeda from Volcano.
Yeah. And them man, they bust me in the music. Them came go to studio record me, first record.
Yeah.
Danny Dread. when
Before
me
we
a
reach the
8
first recording, I remember we stop at 6 and
Okay,
you have
good.
enter Tastes and
Enter Tastes at 7
Yeah.
for the party there.
Yeah? So I never know fame and at the party you want.
If you sell.
I don't know if you eat them. I
No,
fi
yeah.
hustle.
Because you have patty and cocoa bread, you get 48 patty, you know. And cocoa bread, you know. Can you imagine you
For the
have-
what? For the week?
Yeah, anytime you want it
Oh,
for.
yeah.
You get a year supply.
1 year supply.
Yeah.
And you have that vision there from your youth being.
And we are saying,
hustle setting.
from member Nadine's
Win.
Sutherland, I
Yeah.
first tastes contestant, me know.
Yes.
And them I say 1 year supply. I say 1 year supply. Serious thing that, you know. Yeah, man. And then if you go get popular, you have the heater, you know, the party heater. Yeah, man, you put that at school gate and sell that, man. That run off. Because Tastes party not sell nowhere else but Tastes.
Yeah.
And them then they never have much Tastes at 1
Yeah,
year.
one.
and
One
across
across the road.
That me I try to tell you.
Yeah. So the first year when you enter,
Yeah,
you never win.
second run.
What go on?
The yellow man. She have me yellow baby in a yellow sweatsuit, better danger. Yeah,
Everything yellow.
can't beat that.
Can't go around that.
Yeah, I eat that. You could have named God. I run down, I have fool. I eat that.
Yeah.
You can't
Plus
do
his story was a little bit, you know what I mean, inspirational, seeing that
True,
he grew up in a
'cause-
foster woman.
Yeah, hunting, Winston Foster, hunting. Yeah, but That never discouraged me.
You never feel that way?
Yeah, mad man. Then I go back next year, man, I could be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, enter in back again, man. And thing. This time now, I get contract from John John and thing. Yeah, man. Top thing.
You remember I showed, is that where you sing there?
Yeah, man. That hit my record, man. Too fancy, man. I tell them, say, I got Charlie Smith. I love know where Charlie Smith there. But I cross road and a jungle.
Doggy road there?
Doggy road.
Yeah, give me that song, man.
Yeah. Say, I, as a youth, not too fancy. Let's go. You know the song, man. Sure. What you want me to sing?
But people out there might not know the song.
Google it. Name Too Fancy.
So Too Fancy, you use a mash up a thing?
Please mash up, man. Them couldn't go over it. And then we go over the ocean, over the sea. All of the girls, them are murder.
Yeah.
And rich back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
1 year supplier party.
1 year supplier.
You set up your stall.
Murder. No, nobody knows their minds.
Oh.
Because remember you have big
You're
sister.
smart
Big
youth for a long time being as well.
They have to save your money in a mile upon. And them they have to know where you do the thing, you know. Where you do. Them time them have school banking. Remember they have school.
Yeah, man, after their bank book, man.
Yeah. At them time they know me get wise and me I say, all right, stuff some money in the school bank book and then the principal start say, can you go up some me I say, yes. Work.
Yeah?
Can I start win $500 contest and them thing, everything me win. Remember you have bigger sister and bigger brother, they might take away your money, you know.
That's true.
I mean, you will take away my money, I mean, I dep on that, you know.
Yeah.
Zane, you know my mother know it's serious now. And when I start tell her about bed and I start speeding down the road and I'm speeding make a bed flip. She say, what am I doing?
But then time you about 8 being.
Yeah, youth. Them man little boy, man. Then I get realize that I can't live in my house with my mother.
Because I Christian thing.
I don't cause I Christian thing. I can't live with my mother.
Oh.
Because me want to do things. So I just bust a runway, Virgin.
Where you run go?
Next door.
So who do over there?
Silver them, man.
Silver there. Oh, yeah, that.
Over there the sound them, man.
Yeah.
So what I live over here.
Are you live over there?
Yeah, I just bust around. She can't come in there, she and them no friend. I say, yeah.
I Orthodox settings and
yeah, and the
church settings over there.
Church settings over there. Different thing. So I say, all right, good over here, sir. So I start DJ for Master Blaster Sound. Like, permanently. Then I go to country.
You're gone.
I'm there on the truck. Yeah, man. My mother, all she can do a cuss, because I'm a big brother, play the sound. So, I'm under protection, same way.
Yes.
You get to me, I say, yeah, man. So, when we start going to country now, I say, all right, walk on, boom, bam. One night, I don't know what happened, but somebody I keep a dance with Gemini, this guy, never forgot that now. I'm saying I can't sleep, you know, because I lie outside of my mother's house, because my mother come back for me. When we come from country, she come back for me and say, yeah, little boy, you would steal. And nobody can say that because I am a kid. I'm underage, you see it. And she said, we should go for police, carry my work, yeah. And like a big man, and a big man alone have jobs. See me? I say, oh, shut up, man.
Yeah.
So we know where I'm going. Because I have my room well set up over Sydney and all this stuff. Good. And that she don't know where I'm going, but I'm a mother.
Yeah.
See it? You have to know these things.
Yes.
So you see, when you come to your mother, you have to know these things. God, Gemini, I play over Marvel. At first, I never pray for my mother to sleep. You know, you know I said, woman fall in a spirit. in the early part-time night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, sleep.
Jesus. I said, she not get tired. She just got a whoop on the coat now with me. I said, God, nah sleep. Go there, man. Put on my one suit. I have a knit ganzi. My brother give me a knit ganzi. And I have a kangal I get from Sydney Wolf. Yeah. Then I have one rope chain. I have a rope chain and I have to hide it in the car. I remember telling me, I have my things there. Because I bum and shoe and a rope chain. Go over Marvel and then I dance. Squidly Rankin, Johnny Ringo, Archie was the selector at the time. The sound string up on the veranda and Johnny Ringo see me. But him check me last.
You come now with
But
your
to me trash. Him never pay me mind.
Yeah.
So him lift me up and put me on the veranda now. So him say,
When they call him.
yeah. So him say, what your name? So I say, give me the mic. And him give me the mic and I say, run the rhythm selector. Who tell them to go put on the rhythm?
Yeah.
I kick defense them, kick out, you know, when I done in that, you know, I say, yo. Is have, let me tell you who I dance. You have Mikey Bench in I dance. You have, some of them man name I can't remember, but Alan Benji is in I dance too. And Red Alf, Benji family, them.
Yeah.
Stinky and Dikey them. No, Stinky never did it. It was Dikey and Bever. Did it. Them time the Dikey them are youth in a footballer them and youth them, see? And we do over the dance and you know say man them lift me up and carry me across the bridge.
Yeah.
Cause them know say my mother go
Come for you.
you understand and kick up rumpus. The man them carry me in my yard and put me down. And make sure you know say, you see, cause them man they are the gangster them, you know, Michael Benji them. The man they are the gangster them. You see, that's a Rista Benji father.
Risto.
Rista Benji father.
Yeah?
Michael Benji, yeah. So he's a man where carry me go in my yard and my mother knows.
Explain it.
Yes,
Trips.
a week I'm got to dance and thing and where the man them take the whole I blame for me, you know. Yeah, but she never remember me there because she found that spirit earlier, so Jesus shared you at the time. See? She don't know. She don't know so we got that. But my lad, that was the day when we decided to say, all right.
And that day you was being.
What? From this man, because the first big sound me DJ upon, you know. Gemini, you know. I'd call Master Blaster big sound, but in our own way.
I always sang a DJ now.
But Gemini, no, we have some other songs we have just lyrics. Because them time they have build lyrics.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah, man,
so them time they have build lyrics after lyrics, and because you have 1 song, 2 song, 3 song. After that now, people start calling my name wickedly. We got Vice for Jonjo, but Jonjo wasn't there. It was Danny Dread at the studio.
Because you had to get a contract from winning tastes.
Yeah.
Ah.
So we got Vice then, Danny Dread take the 2 songs them and thing, release them from film label. After that, Jammy Studio opened up.
Yeah.
So we start going on a Jammy Studio and then we end up a record album for Bunny Striker Lee.
Striker Lee.
Yeah, right there at Jammy Studio, right there. I take the picture even right there at the front of the gate when Jammy Studio just finished. And them have the big Jammy sign on the gate. So that's where the picture took. The 10-year-old DJ Wonder, Invincible BEENIE MAN.
That was the name of the album?
Yeah.
The Striker.
The Striker Lee.
And the 2 songs that he recorded for Danny Dread was Over the Ocean and
Too Fancy.
Too Fancy.
Yeah.
Those were the songs they actually did perform at the Tastes.
Yeah.
Ah. But many people out there think say Jonjo your voice at first, you know.
Yeah, well that's how it go. Then him gave the contract.
Yeah, but him never did it.
No.
So Danny Dread like
Danny Dread, yeah. But Danny Dread are really my virgin from long time from me a little boy. Danny Dread was one of them man that were influenced me in the music.
Yes.
See? Because him have a sound name, Studio 54.
Yeah.
It sounded too big for play at Jamaica.
Studio 54.
Yeah. Him string it up in my yard one day with me a little boy. One of the first big heavy sound me DJ upon. Yeah, man. Danny Dread. He's a great guy, man. Great.
10-year-old album.
Yeah. 10-year-old album. Many shows. Canada.
10-year-old.
Cayman. Many places. England. Start fly out.
So where did I go road with them time? Because I was a kid.
Yeah, but them time me a DJ upon sound. So
you go with the sound.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you make the cassette, you make the dance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you go. So, alright, first time I go Canada, it never was with no sound. I go Canada because I make a cassette. And the cassette I run Canada. So the promoter them now, the guy where I keep the dance have a sound named Upsetter. So I'm saying for me, if you come DJ upon theme sound, Upsetter sound. That time then I go Canada, me, Mikey Melody, I think Shabba did on that trip there.
Yeah.
Shabba never bust yet, but
Co-pilot.
yeah,
Yes.
him did have a thing. You see it? Shabba did on that trip there. Mikey Melody did on that trip there. Who else did on the trip? Somebody else did on the trip. I think Tonta area, one of them. They did on the trip. And we there Canada and thing. Me end up spending a little time there.
Yep. What you call a little time there?
A little time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the trip me I tell you about school.
Oh,
pass.
so you pass.
Yeah, I pass the pass.
Okay.
I get the visa and
Spend a little time.
me like there.
How long get Canada for being
A time.
a time?
Yeah. I can't remember immigration watch these things here.
Them time, what immigration they gonna do now?
No, but them do now. Them,
$100 for pass declaration and immigration.
yeah, but them give me they give me extra time.
They gave you the extra
Yeah,
time?
they gave me the extra
So
time.
somebody did the application process for you and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah. Now the people that send for me never
Them
want to
say-
send me down.
Them hold on fire.
Them I say, you know.
Upset at the DJ.
Yeah, them like my vibes, you know. So me end up over the next side now. Over America side. Yeah. I reach far, man.
Yeah.
I go in one car and then them go across the border. Them never check me. So it's not like them smuggling me in. Them let me in.
Yeah.
So they never ask me my passport nor nothing. My boy said Canadian and show them him
thing.
documents and them let me through. So I never really hide now and catch them.
So you reach Uncle Sam.
Yeah.
Well, go out. You stay there,
Life
so
get nice. Yeah, we spend a little time.
a little time again.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
between Canada and America, how long were you out of the country for?
a little time.
I remember, it's a little time.
Yeah, a
So
little
how your
time.
America thing going on?
And the America thing is nice, man, because
Yeah.
me a youth, and them time where when you're juvenile and you have your head on your body, you see it. It's nice. And them time they are done run foreign. Them time you're dropping I done base, a problem.
You're good.
See? Gold chain tear off your neck and you get the latest ballet boot and see? Linen suit and click. Them time they click a beat and them thing there. So I foreign now I could have find things to fit me.
Yeah.
See, in Jamaica, you have to make Maxi make everything, because Maxi was my tailor, you know.
Maxi?
Waterhouse, yeah. Yeah, man, as me get that thing, I have to go down a town, buy the cloth, carry come give Maxi.
And then
Maxi
done
goes
it
like, "Rup," and done it up. See? And clean like a whistle.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But a foreign
but
thing
foreign,
dead.
the thing dead, man. Everything you want. All right? Because the bombs, you know, thing get wicked. Because see, man, never me a pirate now. Them turn wicked, man. You know the thing go. Zane? And the police them start lockdown for every man. Zane? And me I say, all right, me nah take lockdown, you know. Zane?
Yeah.
So, my virgin come check me and give me a thing. And me let it go. And buy a ticket. Yeah, next time you see me at airport, me I go.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I reach back to Jamaica, 88.
88.
Yeah, man.
You were-
September 10.
September 10. How old were you at that time?
Up now me age.
Alright, man. You win.
Up now me age, sir. Yeah, me up now me age.
Yeah.
I reach back to Jamaica over there. Me say a virgin and me at him say, hey, me there, I say, oh, I couldn't see me there, wait.
Yeah.
So everything, Chris, man, I worry about life. I clear my bicycle then, my Rambo
You clear your bicycle
bicycle. Zane? Be a jean suit and some sneakers and something. Then I say, wow, it really they are fine for you. Check so I couldn't see them.
Yeah.
The 11th was a Sunday. Fresh, keep. Stage show named Fresh. Go over Fresh and me over there and spend some money. I had my Bailey mash up the place. And at the middle of the night now when Fresh are done, Bailey was the artist them time.
Yeah.
And the stage nearly blew away. Gilbert, man. The 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The 88.
Yeah, me know my house and stay so boop and say, all right. Gilbert come and go in a early day.
Yes.
So me I say, all right, little looting go on. Step on the road and stay so. Everything we are going here for inna, cause you can't be
You can't be left out.
Yeah, idiot. Yeah, the only fussy. Everything, Chris, man. Everything you have for inna.
Yeah.
Looting. You talk about man and say, yo, we are go up at Grace up at the supermarket. We in there. See a police jeep reverse in there. We are say a prison guard. We just a come from front. Policeman them say, load up this. Load up them jeep.
Yeah.
You have to load up the jeep, you know. You guys have bomb, load up the jeep, load up your thing, bomb with the car to your gun in your yard, because you know a storm. Then, set the food thing and have one little room on one part and one little bed and one little TV and little bally them and my little thing. Then I say about 6 o'clock in the evening, Gilbert turn back. I'm there in my house and I say, all right, in the business, but Gilbert, they're my baby. Then I say, I wake up. I nearly John.
Roof gone. TV done.
Look at components set up. The bally them a swim so.
Yeah.
I know bally shoes now it not sore. It bacon.
Yes.
See? So it was the whole of them
Rip
there.
off.
Oh Jesus Christ. You know, the next day when the Jews shoes them dry and murder, like a silk shirt they were back to
Thing
zero in my youth. Okay. Back to zero.
Yeah.
I said, no, sir. You look good. So, me have a link come make with Patrick Roberts about before I go to Canada.
I say no Patrick before them
Yeah,
time
man,
there.
before that. You know Patrick at Waterhouse? Me know
From
Patrick.
Waterhouse?
Yeah, man, Waterhouse, me know Patrick, man. I know Patrick through politics. 86, 85, 86. Them time.
Okay.
Yeah, from them time, I know Patrick. I know Patrick through politics. CMDJ contesting, man. Yeah, them keep on up a Samarkand.
Yeah.
About 150 DJ. I kill everything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You win again?
Well, them kill everything, man. Them time I teach Rista Benji for DJ.
Yes.
And I teach Black Mice for DJ. And them time they can need partners because the DJ contest them
It's
enough.
rough.
Zane? So if two will link up first, second and third. Zane? Because I can sing too, you know.
Yeah.
So I enter singing contest and I can dance. So I enter dancing contest.
Yeah, I feel left with
Clean
something.
everything up, never go on. Already, sometimes I even think me not go, man.
Yeah.
I run joke, man. Because I just with the food they from. Because if you don't understand what I mean, I need food, because I need things.
I understand, man.
Zane, I have to run left my TV, you know, up a Lime Chile, you know.
Why?
We couldn't move in nothing but to close.
Because I'm doing the politics time.
Yeah, man. The man them want the house. That's why I'm telling you to move out.
Oh, that, oh, okay.
Man come in your yard with them 16 rifle and tell you to come out of your place, you know, man. Take your clothes and cut. Yeah, man.
So them time they have to be something in politics.
Me born that time where you have to be something.
Yeah.
Me not born that, alright, me not born that them at time. Hey, them youth are born that one nice time, you know.
Yeah.
Where a man can just decide, say, me I know nothing.
Nothing. Then time they have to be something.
Me born that time. It's either you're red or you're green, man.
You're red. I
Yeah,
never orange at the
never
time.
orange. A socialist time. Yeah, man. Because Michael Manley a socialist, you know. Because them man they socialize with the people. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, them man they run past your yard. What you think me know Michael Manley?
Oh, you know him.
I drag him, I drag past my yard. So I start drag with him. It's big tall white man I drag past my yard. You ever see white man at Waterhouse yet?
Yeah.
Oh, white man I run now Waterhouse. You run with him. Michael, so I know him.
Yeah.
So he's a man who socialize with everybody. See it? So my mother is socialist, my father is socialist. You're going to end up be socialist. Because you see man who born over across the road where I live, right? He man got tell you say you're socialist.
Okay, your mother.
Although you never voted. That me I tell you. So me born that time where you have to be something, John. So it's a different thing.
And I have to left your house.
Yeah, I feel like for us, you're mad, man. Unless you plan for war with them. My father did plan for war with them, my mother never into it. You see it? Because my mother worry about we. My father a madman.
Yeah.
Him not in a sense. Because I never move with we now. Because I'm saying, nah, left this, me build this. When you go.
So that work out.
My father ended up losing mine, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man. In the last half before him drop out.
Drop flesh.
Yeah. Yeah, man, he ended up losing mine. Seriously. Sir Davis, you know. My time, man. It's serious. Yeah, God. And see, I used to come, I would not come sing every night to my mother.
Yeah?
Yeah, my father. Sometimes it hurt me
Yeah,
deep in
man.
myself. You know, say I'm a father of that,
All,
but
man.
but then after a while now, after the storm would come in the 80s and mash down the one board
that
house we would have,
yeah.
build back a place and him did forward back.
Okay.
Him did there back in our life. Right there, sir. Because one night them you'd have some guy who say them a bad man, then you have some next guy say them a rape, or them try rape my sister, you know. I'm there in the house now and run out and me or some cutlass start go hard out there.
Daddy.
What?
That work.
They're wicked.
Yeah.
You them wicked. That man I sent threats away. Man I say, I'm a cutlass, me have one enough run left. Suppose me have my gun. Nobody send a threat, man. Yeah, from there, sir. Because that man is stammer, you know.
That's how he may get you from.
That man can't talk.
Yeah.
So,
Dark.
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 Yeah, that man, yeah, them man they get stammer. Yo. Me have two big brothers stammer too, you know.
It's a family thing, man.
Them man they want to hear cuss. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, two big brothers them kick out. Two big brothers them kick out. Phone turn on, you know.
Yeah, I mean
I think one bad word the man them a cuss me. 10 minutes. Man, you bad. By the time I come up, I run out of breath, man. Stop, I'm afraid of it, man. I don't be afraid of man. Yeah, in a deep conversation though, I was. That's something.
Yeah, come. See, you know Patrick from them time. See, I met back a link with Patrick. Yeah.
No, Patrick, what happened now? How me and Patrick link up now? Gas strike. In our 80s them time.
Yes.
If anybody born and know at my age, know what I talk about. Gas strike. 85 was the gas strike. Because they raised the gas. And the bus man them decide say we're not buying no gas. So we block the road out of Boulevard out there, so.
Okay.
See? 2 days out of Black Road, no food now run. So the man them rob a chicken truck turn over and the man them rob the chicken truck. Grace a pass with food truck that get robbed. Creamer from the creamer you see the down there, sir. Box juice and some sitting that get robbed. D&G truck that get robbed. Everything we have to do with drinking and food eating, that get take away. So the police them start get bad now. You have one named Babam from over Waterhouse and you have Morgan from over Marvally.
Yeah.
Two evil guy them, man, I tell you. I'm to them. Serious guy them. Yeah, man. And the man them start now, so we was the ringleader, so our name start called. Yeah, so I remember the address where Patrick give me. That day they remember the address in it. That specific.
That day there.
That day there. Yeah, so me and Kirk there, you know, look at Kirk.
Look at Kirk.
Yeah, that I'm a singer, you know, because Kirk I'm a singer.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, no, sorry. Risto Benji I'm a DJ.
Kirk, I sing.
Kirk I'm a singer. Black Mice I'm a parent partner.
Yeah.
Zin? So we,
Governor have a little thing, man.
yeah, all competition get take away.
Yeah.
Because I'm tired for sing too. So at the competition now where we meet Patrick, it was Bionic Steve. I don't know if you know
You're
it.
familiar with the name.
Fly the Gate
And
the Team the Pirate.
Yeah, man.
Him sing like 500 people. So, yeah. No, seriously, him sing like 500. Him sing like everybody. And then you have one named Leffy. Them call him Nine Star. He used to sing
And
like
a 10
Star.
star, neither.
Yeah. So, them are the singer up there, so. Up a Samakan way up there, so. Them are the singer. So, look at Kirk now. And Michael Jackson, them man, they deal with it. I just want you to know these things.
I know, man.
See it? So, when they go up on stage and start singing and lick lip on them thing, then girl, them start to say, ooh, murder.
Yeah.
Competition gone in.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, Kurt now, he was my singer. So, me and him a party there. And then, me and him will win some competition in our country. And when him come back at town, him family beat him and take away the money from him. Me never like that. See? We don't plan to murder them, but we are little youth. We can't murder nobody. Everybody bigger than
Bigger than us, yeah.
What we gonna do? We can't do that.
Yeah.
So we walk from Boulevard, go up the Slipe Road.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good look stretch out, you know.
Yeah, man, but we have money. Patrick, they give us some money. So we just spend the money by box
Oh,
juice.
from the competition,
Yeah.
and get the okay, cool.
So
No,
we have money, we never want to take no bus.
oh, no, just
No, we couldn't take no bus. No bus now run. It was gas
the
strike.
strike said we.
Yeah. So no, we couldn't find no bus because we never have no bicycle. What we'd have to do?
Walk
What, them
it.
man a young man, I want to tell you, young man, walk. And walk, go across the road, right a slide road, that's in front of which part Yellow Man used to house. What you call it?
Alpha Boy
Eventide home. No, Eventide home.
Eventide home.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, right, yes, sir. You have a place named Stacks Electrical Department. Then we have a son named Stacks Disco.
Yeah, familiar with the name of
Yeah,
song.
Lita used to play the song. You know Lita? Engineer from Arrows.
No.
Okay.
I mean about the sound still.
Yeah, but this is a different part of my career now.
Yes.
With me and Lita, and Patrick, Winston, Doctor, and Soul King.
Yeah.
This is when my career gets serious. Like, cause them time you grow now, you know, you grow. You little boy thing done with. 10-year-old DJ wonder done with, your voice start go so, you need a different thing.
Yes.
So Little Kurt now was the singer me I bring. But them time they know, me not take no chat from no man, cause you see it, we put the trust in a whole heap of people and people let we down. You see it? Because remember, you know, people, I'm telling you this, I don't get no help from nobody here, sir. I just want to know, sir, me help myself. Everything when I go through life, and me put myself there. You see it? So it's not like somebody will say, forward DJ and spend a money, not like that, no go on with my thing. Because I want to work hard and build my thing. So you see, Little Kirk was one of them youth there where, you know, me and him got through it. So me I say, all right, me I carry down a Cracktown. So I reach a Cracktown, I meet Mama, that's Patrick Robert's mother, Aunt Sita. Right, there's some meet her in 1985. I never forgot Virgin. You see it? And then I carry Kirk down there and me ask her if Kirk can stay. And she said, well, as long as him knows the school work have to go on and him have to go to school. And no disrespect. And me I said, well, I said, man, good man, very. And me I said, Kirk, you know everything go. Boom, so. I left, because them time they have to dip on the road. I end up at Augustown, Dread, Steely. Because anyway, I go music there first, and just destruction come after.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, we got music there first. So we go end up at Augustown with Silver Axe Sound.
Yeah. Big
See?
sound.
Yeah. That's why with Silver Axe Sound, me and Steely there, long, you know, him and the dancer. So
When I say Steely, I mean Steely from Steely and Cleavy fame?
Yeah, no, Steely own Silver Axe. A Steely sound, you know. Steely from Steely and Cleavy, a film sound.
A history class, I can't remember that.
Yeah, because
Young.
Worry about it. Yeah, we end up at Augustown, Steely and Cleavy. You see it? Up at Augustown now, we start par the likes of some man like Sammy Dread and some man. Kid them or some man.
Gringos.
There wasn't good influence on my life. Them
Put it away there.
Yeah, put it away there. There was bad influence. I'm a friend them, but they're never a good friend to have.
Yes. Fair enough.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm a friend them. Still wired me every day. Yo, man, you to till Sammy Dread now start got to steal a card. So Sammy Dread called Steely Uncle Steely. You know? So he's a man who deal with you with respect, even though he's a man who hold and crush your throat. But yeah, he's a man who deal with you with respect.
Yeah.
Mr. Steely and them thing, them. So him talk to Steely. Because as big as him is, him big like a bear, but him talk like a little baby. Yeah, Mr. Steely, me just want you know Steely, say. Shoot him run on me yard there, yeah. So, if you want, you have to ask me for him, yeah. Because I look at you, yeah. All right, good. Still serious. How you doing?
Yeah.
And then kid now, man, just take me away. Because them like me, them like my vibes. You see my vibe different, you know. See it? Me have vibes, man. Anything you know.
Vibes are for you now.
Yeah, me get vibes are for you know. So them man rate me. Because them man that say do so. And then you do so. You can't do so the wrong way. Because If we do back, so a different thing. You see it? So them man, yeah, Mr. Man is an action man. Me don't really talk too much. Remember last time I come off fire. So don't really talk too much. So them man they really like me in Augustown. So still give me a big bike. For ride one night talk, you know. Big bike and till someone decides that they might take me on. A problem. You have to run well for Augustown now. Guess where me end up? Craigtown. No, I end up at Craigtown, so I got me safer. Jump out a frying pan, brother.
Jump in a fire.
Fire burn up. Yeah, man. That's where my life start from. And serious, man.
What go on do a Craigtown there?
With niceness, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, niceness go on farm, shocking vibe and thing. Yeah, one time, me and Patrick na chat for about 2 years. The man said, well, you see me over here, sir? Go over there, sir.
Yeah.
Because, you know.
Yeah.
Don't ramp in no one. Me, I said, well, Patrick, you can't lie down and make the man them take you for fool. Because it doesn't make no sense.
Yeah.
A man will come to you and say, yo, I want your yard. Which part me going to live if me give me yard? Me just run away from somewhere.
Yeah.
And find a yard there now. Good. You come tell me say you want me yard. Where me I go live? Give me somewhere to live first, man.
Yeah.
Before you want me yard.
You mentioned saying look Kurt did out in the streets.
Yeah, right.
All about the place.
Yeah.
There was a time when I used to score the dances, them and a buckler thing there.
No, oh, you talk about back time. No, back time, I never back time for me, no. I hustling for me.
Yeah.
Cause we did have a stall. We sell liquor and them thing there.
Yeah.
A dance and them thing there. So, you know what them thing there.
Hustling.
You have to pick up the back of them in a dance.
Yeah, got change them.
Yeah,
back.
for exchange the back of them. So I never buckle me, I look for hustle.
Oh.
Me a DJ now. All of my life, me do music. Me just want you
when they on the
understand.
buckle hustle.
How way I do?
You got
Me have my suit. Round a cat. I want to tell you, man.
Yeah.
I saw me meet toddler, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I tell you about me meet toddler. Me meet toddler house, where place name, man? Walker's Land.
Yeah.
Up at Olympic way up here, sir. Josie Wheeler keep him party. I think a Josie Wheeler birthday party. See? A night there. A night there me clash with Mr. Benji. No, not the night there. Because the night there, Benji never get for hold the mic. You see it? So I didn't know one in I dance. But you know, earlier, I come back there, dash where I have my bag in my back pocket and cut back. I see I can buckle my man I rush feet, man. I have to give my elbow, man, and ease him up. So I say, what you do, man? My ends this. I'm not after where I did I dance, I pick up back like, oh, ends this. Where you come from, man?
Yeah.
And him tell me, say, my DJ, and him come from up a Walter, man. Where I say, all right, you. Wrong dance. So yeah, back time, wrong dance. This,
Yeah.
So after that, now I go change my clothes. I'm forward, mash up the dance and everything. And I see him back here. Me a really DJ for true. And from that, I just continuously see him all over. Bucky my two dance, Bucky mother dance. Next dance, him see me now, a different thing. A Kangal and Chava Fox time. See? A silk shirt and
Clean.
big, thick corduroy pants and stuff.
Yeah.
Chain round neck and yeah, that time next time see him kill me, I kill son. Yeah, I get it food.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah. From them time, me and Toddler friend. And Toddler, from there, so I know say I go bad.
Yeah.
Because I say any DJ will start DJ from them time there, is DJ will know
Real
what
school.
dancehall is. See, and him is not a new school artist.
Old
He's
school.
an old school artist. Yeah.
One thing.
Things reach him in a life where never supposed to reach him, and people have it say a theme fault, make it happen, but he may have people around him who could have clean up every problem we have. But at them time, every man I think about themselves, them not think about him. Because theme problem him have a simple problem, you know. Him try to go foreign for the next man documents.
Yeah, and Toddler.
Yeah, man, me and
Good.
Toddler Bridging from this.
So what you know, Beenie? When you do the album at 10, Zane, when again you actually do some recording.
No, man, I always record,
You always
man.
a record?
Yeah, man. After that, I do Granny Cooking and some other songs.
Yeah?
But me start Vice with Jammies. Do some song with Rista Benji, put back the music, on the minibus. Yeah, but after a time, reach 15, 16 time, come back from foreign time, time change, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but me always a record, like always, regardless of where me find myself in a
record.
situation me in a, me always a record. Like right through, cause alright, Anthony Red was my friend for life.
Yeah?
Zane, like always, my virgin me know Anthony Red was from 80s, like long time, long time, from Tubby's days.
Yes.
See? Before Jammies ever stood there. It's a long time I know Red was. From this old Tennessee thing, Red was used to sing like them, you know.
Yeah?
I love how, yeah, him sing Temper.
Yeah,
my
man.
God. Yeah,
Nice
Red
sound
was.
in a temper.
Yeah, so a theme side that's how I know where Red was from. So Red was, I'm a virgin. So when we run Ginger, because sometimes you run Ginger, you have to run with left, which part you there. And yeah, I end up down at U-turn. See?
Yeah?
Yeah, I end up down at U-turn.
Cool out.
Yeah, they have to cool off, man. Because them time they, when you run Ginger, Cracktown, I just Cracktown, you run Ginger. You run Ginger down at Augustown, I just down there, so you really, you see it. So if them see you out and them see you, because I demand them where.
Still in a problem.
Yeah, you go there, still no problem. So I end up down at U-turn and thing, and there. Nice and good, you know. Till one day, I don't know where problem come from in a virgin. Like, my other care where I try the problem just come here. So, problem just forward, Jed, and me I say, all right. I deal with problem. I think I deal with problem too harsh that time there. I'm step on problem wicked, you know. Yeah, man. That's all the man them out of the station. I say,
I look for you.
You can't stay. Man them out of the station, I'm my friend, you know. The sergeant and the man them run the station, I'm my friend. So the man them just give me a heads up and say, yo, you hear me now? Sorry, why? And the man give you a heads up. Fucking argument.
You know me I edit that. Alright, boss. Yeah.
So everybody them come check me and say, yo, this is how I go on. Zin? Yeah, yes, yeah, that's a, you see it? Same time I go to boom and move out. Anthony Red was me say, I forward from country. I think he might come from RFM. I have a song with him and Bunty Killer. Let's get intimate. Yeah. I must say, he might go a town. So I say, all right. I forward it there and anything. And he must say, I'm going to the studio. I go with him in the studio. I'm in there. I'm there because I'm fully strapped. I don't know because I cross the road there and correct town that the right there. So you know what thing. Anyway.
Yeah, you warm out there too.
Boo, Ginger. So we go the DJ Badman Wicked Man.
The idea there. Because man a bad man, wicked man, no take man for tie. Gun in a me and ma kill and this.
Never say gun, I say Glock.
Glock in a me and ma kill and this.
Yeah, man, I did that. But before that, me a record, because when me have Matey, I can't go nowhere.
Yeah. So Matey was before Man a Bad Man.
Matey was
was
first
the
number.
first song. Which year
number.
that?
Oh, 92.
92.
92 me start eating, because 91 me get Mandela Boy.
Yeah. So we'll come back to, forward to
Anyway,
that one. Yeah?
So 92 we start it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Mr. Milo, I'm spread out, Miss Angela, Sullivan, and there with the Rough Rider. All them song them do, hey, them a watch you, hey, them and them a chat you. That be a girl song me a sing, cause, yeah.
The whole of them song they are hit song.
Hit song, well, yeah, man, but me can't go nowhere.
Yeah.
Go DJ them.
Ginger.
Boy, hot. Hot like fire.
Yeah.
You only can go to studio, because the man now look for your studio.
Yeah.
So I'm a man there always every day. So the artists them still see me with their jammies every day. So I like me I hide. When the Jeep come around, I cut. You see it? But yeah.
Yes,
I never bring my badness to artists.
Yeah, man.
Because music.
Music and music.
Yeah, music and music. You see it? So in them time, them have to know me I do, but I forward a correct town now. See? Because through the war it start a correct town. And then me do want me not depend that. Because when them kill John Crump and them kill Liquor Dean, it's a song me singing now. A piece me a beg and me a beg that for real between Benbow Street and the housing. It's a song me sing.
Yeah.
This must be a dream. Wake me up quick because it cannot be real. Me hear say them shoot down my friend Liquor Dean. 2 shots in the head and left him girl all a scream. And then the gunman. Man, anyway that play a crack down a gunshot. So instead of man a fire gunshot off of one another, them a fire gunshot for you. Tune. That me a deal with. That bring back one piece in a crack town. See. Like nobody want me again. Anyway, him see me here, you're lucky.
Yeah.
You see, next time him see me, I sting him a book me for.
Yeah.
Yeah, depend, you can't run from like me. A man they will murder you, man. A wrong man, them left for one. Yeah, you idiot, man.
Yeah.
Him and one name, Cowan. But my face a Cowan, him they hate me most. Never like me none at all. And when me I show him, say, a music me I deal with them, man.
Nah, take no music.
Man, they show me file. And I say, hey. Remember them, yeah?
Yeah.
I say, I forgot bus, you know. Yeah, man, we never bus made bus, man. Yeah, man.
So what you do, Beenie? You spend some time.
Eh. Ring them, man. Lock me up in a curfew. You know the thing, go. As a youth, not the system, you have to know the system. Them lock you up, you know them can't hold you for 3 months. Every match I be locked here, them take a next 3 months. And then them put a next 3 on it.
Yeah.
You that, but when them let you out, you're free.
So a curfew thing you get.
Yeah, because I wanted thing, you know. But war that go on. So them run a curfew or you get bite night curfew.
Yeah. Probably
Yeah.
a job.
I never me alone, you know.
Yeah.
You have about 100 man brethren. You have man still down there, bro. Curfew. Have a curfew and them print here, you know. You that, you know.
What was the experience like, though, in incarceration?
Yeah, man, because, well, you have to survive, you know. Yeah, that me I tell you. So you have to make the best of any situation that you're in. As a man, you have to stand firm. I move from jail to jail, because we there one station, move to the next station, then we go to the next station. Till one time, my mother can't find me. You know your mother visited.
Yes.
Yeah. So my mother never knows where I'm there. So she checks me there road. Because my mother don't worry about me, you know. Because she knows that I can take care of myself. So my mother never worry about me. My mother come visit me like one time. See? Yeah, me I tell her, I said, don't come back. Because me don't want you to be that woman. Where, you see it?
Yeah.
Because my brother a prisoner, you know. Like all of my life, my brother got a prison. You know? Yeah, man.
Which one that?
One named Peter, man.
Peter.
Yeah, man. All of my life, my brother got prison. So all of my life, I have to know, say, Sunday, my mother go wake up, cook breakfast and cook dinner one time, and carry go to prison. All of my family, a little boy, so. So I don't want my mother do that for me. I don't depend on that. She hear me there and she come find me, beg her, and I say, my brother come back, I beg her. See, them time them have my girl, them, man. Them cook food and care come give me money and care clothes come give me and all them things. Me alright, man. You see it? Me just now go see my friend them.
Yeah.
Because my friend them not coming to no prison. I'm a fool. I wish jail go visit. I'm going to say mad, man. Yeah, idiot, man. Remember the first time? Yo, I joke. No, man. The man not come look for you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. But a little time there, it give me
a little time.
A little time, man. I got cowboy lunchtime, that man. But it give you a way to look upon life in a different scene. Because, all right, say, you have it, say, you have to do this because me not the get one way, and who and where I am, man, a bad man. No, that not work. You have a talent where you're born with. Work it to the best of your ability and make something of yourself. And don't be that guy.
Yeah.
That guy will waste your life for nothing. You're dead for nothing. Police is running down and shoot you down for nothing. See? I'm looking to myself and I say, all right, boom, I come on road, I go have 2 studio and thing. And here say, Mandela, they are Jamaica.
Great, man.
What? Go down a lad and ladies go buy a suit. Murder.
So that's at 91?
Yeah. nice linen suit, you know. But them time me there arrows and me there jammies and Zane, every man I say, oh yeah, they are firing me there, you know, because I'm trash, you know the thing. Well clean, I find me I come from, and cause you can't add studio there. That me I try to tell them, man, say, me know, I bring my badness to go studio.
Work, you go work.
Yeah,
when you
work,
go
me go
studio.
work, Reggie. So find me I come from, and man, them I say, yo, clean though, whoa, man, they up a stadium. God up a stadium. So me say, Donovan Thomas, I want Virgin from down at Clarendon. Him did a quick turn one time, like he make the wrong turn.
I had up a correct door.
Yeah. And man them I go eat him food. Yeah. So we go take off the pot there for the fire. Now eating off the man food right here. It's not happening.
Yeah.
See it? Lead him out back up. Dougie Fresh is in the car at the time. But them don't know who Dougie Fresh is. Man, I watch TV and listen music. Them man don't know people. Them man say R&R rental. And look like people look like them come from foreign and end up on a dead end lane in a Virgin. Down a Duppy Town. You know. And I say, what you do down a Duppy Town? Man, reverse the car. Man. Turn and go up. See the man, I say, leave that pot there, man. The pot there, a good pot. Yeah, man. They know say pot come back round and deal with the youth, them, man. Make sure say everything nice and give one basketball court and them thing there. You see them pot there, nah? Where the man them there kick off fire, nah?
Yeah, take it off.
Me I tell them, man, see them pot come back and do the thing nice and give you back some money and fix back everything and nice and good. Me I say, see it? Because the man them never eat the food. I Dougie Fresh now. Him see me in a stadium and I say, Hints, I'm gonna call you, dog. Me I say, you know, I'm not ready for this yet. And the man I say, yeah, but ready or not. Them time there, me have a song on him, keep way. You know here, where BEENIE Man say, all bad mind people, them fi keep. So me change it. You know, lyrics, here, where BEENIE Man say, all apartheid leader, them fi keep way. Both of you are the B.
Keep way.
Get a piece of forward, nice.
Mad, nice.
Some stay say, I greedy, you know. Yo, thunder there. Greedy. Look on the people them and say, when you want one more people, them say, yeah. Then I say, oh, you have some white boy gonna make some speech about black people. And the boy them on green, when you see them just pint. See me a pint pan cigar and I'm green shirt. Hey, green over there. People them go say, boo. All the dog the pan, boo. Governor General get up and say, fundamentally, I have to say boo. And then shoot them on the view, them say, him and dead, innit? Boo, the people them are boo me. I say. You know, me wait till them done boo though.
You know, come on for a stage.
No, me just say thank you, no. Respect. I walk out the stage. You know what I mean? Now, every man...
How long till you say so, BEENIE?
How you say? Every man afraid to laugh off of me now, you know.
Why? Cause
you know the thing, man?
yeah, why?
A week a man and back, me see a man them dropping like grass, man, say, you're going to kill me. The man say, you're going to kill me. But them dropping like grass, man. Rolling them, I talk about cat style, you know, foot up in the yard, up in the yard. I laugh, it was calm, man. They end up that now, Jeremy came out of the studio now.
Donovan?
Yeah. Came out of the stadium.
Came out of the stadium?
Yeah, him came out of the stadium. Donovan Jeremy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the man I say, to your move, like you got chop off your head in it. Forward in the car. And then put me in the back of the car and drive me on. We go to Yuatan. Straight to Yuatan.
Sit back down on the end, say.
Yeah. But when I reach now, I lock up in the house. And there, I start build lyrics. Because I said, this now hold me down, you know, you think me I hear that. And Ghana sing have a song I say, I can see clearly now the rain is... It play every morning for everything. Watch your troubles, watch it all away. You can find another day. Yeah, man. Dead long as you attend now and that's up. The thing start. Because I come out of my yard one day, and from I come out of my yard that day, the trouble. Not trouble. Trouble where you come from, trouble with trouble. You're trouble now, trouble mad.
Yeah.
Trouble take your hands. I saw me see red roads, I saw me end up a town. Come police when them I say, Yeah, we go take away.
Cool
I
out.
said, me nah go back to jail. Mad. You can't come from this and, no, me no want to see that. Some advice bad man wicked man no man. You know, back a correct town now. I said,
Yeah.
all right,
Done.
music and my life. And Patrick say, you sure? And I say, watch this. Take them on, wicked. Cause Patrick now, through Donovan Thomas, my brethren, same brother when I see. Give me contract, say, I'm for sign contract. I sign a contract, you know. Somebody got tell Patrick, say, I sign contract. The man I say, oh, if you build a company and then sign to a next company, I say. Sometimes if you ask question before you jump to get a conclusion. And Donovan have nothing to do with no contract. No. The man just want to produce 2 songs with me. And he have an artist named Liquid Vicious.
Yeah.
He want a record.
Me hear about the artist still.
Right,
I know
2
much
songs.
about him, but me about him.
Write 2 songs for Vicious and thing. And yeah, Dougie Fresh get him a contract and thing. But we go back to Kirktown now. But there, in the yard, Mama give me a room on the back.
The Ansita.
Ansita, yeah, she give me a room on the back. And I fix up that. Police them, you know them always a text set them come in the yard, then kick off my door. I just put carpet in my house. Police I put him big dirty boot now. I have to hold him foot man and throw him out, man. I
Yeah.
say, where the man? Come out, I'm in place, man. I'm come out now, the mama start defend me. So if I have that, then no policeman that come down in place. You have policeman named Ballad, where me and him turn friend. Me and Leng turn friend. Leng partner still not like me. Time I say, oh, yeah, oh, no man not change. Where, me I say, everything, Chris, I watch him just see me stay so. Just see me, cause me start keep get us passion, cause me start keep my own show.
As long as you keep get us back?
Yeah, man.
But after 1 year, that's
92.
92?
Yeah, man. That's the way I keep get us fresh, man.
Yeah.
Yes,
So them time the Shocking Vibes farm out already.
yeah, man, Shocking Vibe up.
And you.
Yeah, man, Shocking Vibe up from after Gilbert to be Shocking
After
Vibe.
88.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it's a good look while, man.
Yeah, man, after I come from Canada, man, and thing.
And you and Roberts built Shocking
Yeah, man, me and him and Tanta Mecha.
Tanta Metro
And Kirk. Little
Kirk.
Yeah. We were the only artists there.
at the time.
Yeah. We built Shocking Vibe from Stocks Disco. Yeah. We have one big blue and black label. Tanta Mecha, him sing a song for me. I don't remember a song name. It sell 3 copies. Him buy one, him mother buy one, and him father buy one.
Yeah? That was the start.
That was the start.
Yeah.
First song. We have then we have Juna Demus. Boy You A Boy, you know man yet. We produced that. That's our first big song. And then Little Kirk, now get the people broke. Da 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 da. And we can't get no work. Da 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 da. I'm trying. Yeah. Man, yeah.
Mad thing.
I'm a thing, man. Shocking Vibe.
So what we had out over here, see? You have song a go on. But then, in that time, early 90s, 91, 92, there was the emergence of a DJ from Seaview.
Oh, Bounty Killer.
Bounty Killer.
Jesus Christ. All right. I don't know what happened there. Like, 92 when I do Bad Man Wicked Man. The song release. Can I read about December them time there?
Yeah.
Song release early the next year.
Yeah.
Zin? And the song kick off because it was 2 songs we put together. Glamorous, Clitoris, Man You Look Fine. Bad Man, Wicked Man, not Terror Fabulous.
Terror Fabulous, yes.
And the Jigsy King, cock up your body and ride. When you see your mate here, she put 2 songs them together. Then Bounty Killer say me a pirate. I don't know why him say me a pirate. I think I show the gun talking. I got your spy that feeder, you cap a shot in your heart. So me I say, Mama, your son name a go die. 21 cap a shot below the post. So I think that him I say. But me never hear him song yet. So I'm a pirate. You
never did hear the song?
No. The 2 songs them release same time. How me hear your song? Me don't know you. Me not gonna dance go see a DJ. Me not hear you singing on the dub plate. One song, me know 2 songs with Bounty Killer. Me know Copper Shot, and me know Let's Get In. Yeah, me don't know no more Bounty Killer. So this would have been 3rd.
Yes.
Big tune. See? So the 2 of them bust one time. So how me pirate you? Me don't understand.
Yeah.
So it's not like one time song you used to leak them time there. From you have the song, you have it on a white label or you have it on the label. You don't know what thing, man?
Yeah.
So, I don't understand that.
But that though Beenie and Spawn, the greatest rivalry in the history of music.
I'll Billboard have to write about it.
You understand? Because that rivalry has outlasted the rivalry between Biggie and Tupac.
Yeah.
You understand? And that would probably be the biggest rivalry outside of Jamaica. You understand? In terms
True.
of music.
True. But you see, the Bounty Killer rivalry still, you know, me tell you about it now. Why it nice for me. Zane? Alright. Me a man, me a the girl them DJ. Me not too do badness, you know.
Yes.
When it come to DJ business. See?
Can be a girl song.
Yeah, be a girl song.
Until you do the Glock song.
So when me stay at Bam, I do the bad man, wicked man now. And then Killer take me on now. That me I say, alright, me have to go build more bad man lyrics. So when it come to bad man lyrics, I am not the greatest lyricist. When it come to them things. Me know about
Girls.
yeah, but me know about
You know about the thing, but
yeah, but my thing happened in 5 minutes now. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, you know, say if at daytime, you put on your frack and your wig and you distract the people them. And you do what you have to do, you cut. But for talk about badness and do it in a story, I don't know how to do that. So, me really learn from Bounty Killer how to do that, man. No, seriously. No, really, Joe.
yeah.
Yeah, man, seriously. If it be like girl tune, me a
Yeah.
God pan it. No worry about it.
So Bounty send you, go do some work.
If the man want wire there and have a build lyrics for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I start listening to him now and listen to where he must say and where my DJ say. Me I say, alright, I mean I ramp it, chop in the head. So I go say, I'm plan for him now. See it? And me I say, alright, I see what you do with. So I build some lyrics. And I book him a Stone Love anniversary. Stone Love 22nd anniversary.
That was 92.
Yeah, 92. Yeah, December, man, 93.
93,
I
leading up to Sting.
Yeah, before Sting. I just done Teen Splash.
Yeah.
Me close the show, lock down the whole place, the whole high school girl, them jump and scream and dance. So when I reach over the dance now, remember me just close the show, you know, me hear Bounty Killer up on stage. I feel say I done the show, done. Because them time I just think say me and him are the man, you know.
Yeah.
But you have to always remember, say you have artists before, you have Ghosts and all them man they were bust before.
and Culture and
yeah,
Earth.
so them man they backstage and love Bounty Killer for go up on stage. I say, but them man don't come for perform. Because when Bounty Killer done the show done, you know.
Yeah.
I say, but we not come to perform. I straight on stage me go, you know. So when me go up on stage now, every man realize where I going. So when I go say now, him drop the mic and Weep Out pick up the mic and I take the mic from Weep Out. And first thing I say out of my mouth, man, if I fuss you want to test you tell that preacher. I murder, man. And them see the dance because I lift up, coming by him come off my stage now. You know. So me a big fool DJ, I can't do nothing to him, you know. When he made the dance, I lift up, I run him, run back on stage, you know.
But man can't left so the thing.
I grab the mic, you know.
Yeah.
And I just a bam say again and knock our next bam, you know. Every time I DJ, I run off our stage, I say, yo, me done with this. Done with what? Lyrics and I'm facing him forward back again, you know. So I run back now and chat two lyrics and run off our stage and I go say, if you cross the bridge.
Mash up.
Oh, God, yo, I be things. So I'm cut.
I'm cut.
Yeah, I'm there for stage, him cut. So the man them rush the stage now. Ghost and everybody rush the stage now. And me just, God is truly amazing. And them grab the mic and say, me not kill people, me not call up on God. Broof, and drop a gun. So the clash done.
Yeah.
And baby went take with the mic and pay things. Go on after that. I go backstage and see him, and him take a picture that night there. Yeah, man. John.
Yeah, John take a picture.
Yeah.
Because John did out time father play same time they work, innit?
Yeah, me and him take the picture. Because come backstage, him say, I know, intimidation, you can't intimidate me.
Yeah.
Then because we reach backstage.
But how him intimidate you? You walk on the stage baby, so then you more intimidate him?
Yeah, but you see the better face and the
I just kill that.
No, you don't understand me, I say. If another man otherwise than me, run from Bunty.
Yeah, well, that's true still.
I want you know that.
That's true still.
Because my par with some man with me know where.
Oh,
Zin? Yeah.
Gringo.
Yeah. But you see, through me, I gringo myself.
Yeah.
Me good. You see it? So John I say, yo, no argument, nothing in it. Yo, Ru, I'll take that picture here. Boof, me take that picture here. I don't know, so sting him, I got attack me. So when I try it.
Yeah.
So after me, I check, say, me a pirate, nobody ramped me now. All
Yes.
ton Camille, this, nobody ramped me, we don't do pirates.
Boxing date 1993.
Yeah.
Jammerel. Are the Jammerel yet?
Jammerel. I first Jammerel.
That was the first thing.
Jammerel.
Yeah. The scene of possibly the greatest
I first Jammerel
clash
thing.
in a dancehall history. This time, I know you walk on from stage.
No, you say him walk on past stage.
Cross.
No, that thing there, alright, me tell you that thing there go. Because I done plan for them, you know.
Yeah.
Now, me get vast now in making gunman songs.
You
See?
got prepare.
Yeah, no, them time bad now. That, we are
bad
talking about. No, what?
Yeah.
Bad. No. But I ramped me thing. Me have lyrics like rice grape.
Yeah.
See? Because me bad long time, you know, but it's never, my thing wasn't a bad man thing.
Yeah.
Me and the girls, I'm sure, got
Girls,
virgin.
yeah.
See? Yeah. And virgin, ready for Bounty Killer now. So me did know the same Look a Vicious kid. We just make 2 songs for him. I want you girl, Vicious fine again.
Remix or dance.
Nika is the name and not Merker. Yeah, that me write the song the for him. And me have a song with Dougie Fresh. No, me write a next song for him. Soon get back to that. So him now was the artist for me introduced on stage. So the people them say no. So me I say call who no one. And them say Bounty. And me say call him again and them say Bounty. And the man say people dead. And me sit down on the box. Sit down on me take out my coat.
Yeah.
And me sit down on the box. And me start laugh. Because when him come on, him a go mad. Who man from save you? I said, Lord, yo, just look serious.
He did serious, man.
Why, man, serious. But me not serious. When it come to music, me not serious, you know.
Yeah.
Because music is what me do. So when me start go, me start laugh. No, say man vex, man get mad. I start drop some lyrics on my skin, you know.
I guess why that with that.
No, I've never reached just yet.
No, yeah.
Hey, go. Bad man kill before no perplex them gun else a city. And a nation we go down. Disrespect can make me get vile.
And a bass can skank BEENIE. I enjoy performance.
Then a vibe,
Yeah.
a vibe you can't stand up
But
serious.
what you class before because since they are getting yeah, man.
I can't serious.
Yeah, man.
So I'm go if you live by the gun, you hear when me say, police back you up you get. But it's just chopping lyrics after lyrics after lyrics. Because after a time you get aware now because the whole of the clash is not on YouTube.
Yes.
You have one part of the clash your back will actually fling.
Yeah?
Yeah, may I tell you. Because it get serious.
Serious.
You start pointing on my face and you start gossiping underneath him and them things. I start laughing at him and me I say, let it go my youth.
Yeah.
You see it? Because badness never needed. And we don't do badness on stage, just how we know.
Music.
You know, drink liquor on stage, you know, smoke weed on stage unless you want to make a statement. And you know, fight on stage.
Work, you go work.
As an artist. Nobody no come there for see boxing.
No drink liquor, no smoke, and you no fight.
No. On no stage. That is 3 no. What you don't do on stage. And you don't go up on stage half naked. You have a dress for the people them. People come out to see you, them put on them clothes, them pay them money to see you. If it's even a free show, you have to have that as an artist.
So that
Yeah,
the stage etiquette that man.
Yeah, man, you have to have
Dress properly.
Let me tell you something. As an artist, you have to work hard in the studio and twice as hard on stage. You have to know that. That keep you as a person. Because if people don't love you as a person, just when the hype done after the song, them don't want to see you again. You have to know that. You have artists that can't go up on stage unless them have a song. You know that?
True.
Because nobody don't like them. Nobody don't want to see them. You serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You have artists where nobody don't like them. And them feels that them hot.
Yes.
They want to them. Every time you see them, them have a big towel over them head. Them hold on them head, so people want to take picture of them, put hand over them face, like people that say, are you?
Yeah.
Because one thing artists can't do, you can't hide, you know.
Can't hide.
As long as you do a video, I hit that.
They're out there.
Your image out there. No care what you try to do to yourself.
Yes. Beenie, that night, 1993, has immortalized Bounty Killer and Beenie Man as giants.
Yeah.
Killer likes as columns.
Yeah, column.
Column.
Yeah.
In the dancehall space.
Dancehall
Yeah.
column, yeah.
Is it safe to say that without Beenie Man, Bounty Killer wouldn't be the level that he's at today, and without Bounty Killer, vice versa?
It's safe to say.
Safe to say that?
Yeah, man.
Both of you sustain each other?
Yeah, man. Safe.
Career. Because the career them
Yeah, grow up.
decades
Expand.
decades
Yeah, expand.
and still relevant.
Because now we as some of the only artists that do this, you know. Where stay for so long.
Longevity.
Yeah, because you have some dead, not care how big them is. Ninja Man get 3-time artist of the year. No, never 2-time. Admiral Bailey is supposed to be the longest reigning DJ back in his time. See? Yeah. Buju Banton, we bust after him. So him last with
Yes,
us.
yes, because I 3Bs, me say
Yeah.
thing there, you know, being
Yeah,
the
man.
Bounty Buji, you know.
Yeah,
All
him
this
last
and that.
with us.
People get upset
Yeah.
when me say that.
Be the business
because
very
they
much,
say me left
and
out
that's right
Shabba
there.
and thing, but yeah.
A Buju Beenie Bunty.
Yeah,
All right, I'm going to give you a wickedest joke. You want to get the joke?
yeah man.
All right. June, July, and August,
Yeah?
1972.
Me never penny into the brother.
I will got to that thing, but
Me never did a penny into the.
that's what it was.
Yeah, last one the year. Yeah, watch Belly for 72.
Yeah, last King standing.
Yeah.
So it going. So it go. We
Yeah,
just laugh still.
yeah, and Killer, they're on a level here now though.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
About one 3-4 years now.
About 5 years now.
About 5 years
Yeah.
now.
Man, him dep on a level. I'm virgin, man. Because you see, the problem is, if you avoid a person for 22 years, like seriously, and you never knock him yet.
Keep never knock you. Yeah.
Not
afraid for true, man.
best friend that way.
Yeah.
And I have no more friend than him.
Yeah.
Because nobody can talk bad about you around him.
And
Nobody
nobody
can. You know that. That's my thing. I just make you know that your
Respect.
body be Bridget. Move from side of me with that. Baby. Find somewhere else to go, Bridget.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
Mutual respect.
Yes, man. You have to have that. Because if you have somebody around you who love you, Zane, without you, without them can tell you, say, my you, I really respect you, you know. But you know, say,
You know,
that person, they
is
respect
there.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to protect that person, you know. Trust me, at any time. Because if a boy feel like him can this kill and make me know, you know. A
Problem.
wrong mistake. You want to know my real friend? See Bunty and this him. I send to Tristan about you want to kick him. Yeah, man. That's how it goes.
Mad thing. Yeah, and him actually have a song.
Yeah. Legendary. Me and him have 2 songs.
Two songs?
Yeah, man. We have Blue Light, Siren of the Blue Light with Tristan Palmer. It's on the album Unstoppable.
Okay.
Yeah. Thing.
But separate and apart from the lyrical feud with the Killer do being,
Yeah.
Zane, Michelle Downer.
Yeah, my ex-wife. What happened to her?
Yeah. Was Killer girl for a long while.
That have nothing to do with the price of sugar.
But people have it out, they say, that was a move from Beenie. Despite Killer,
That have nothing to do with me and what people want to say.
that was not the
People
case.
can't tell me who for like.
So you didn't
People
like
can't tell
her.
me who for David. They must like her for David. I must just get her pregnant.
Yeah.
Must just have a youth with her. Must just and actually grow the youth. Me and Michelle are still friends, you know.
Yeah.
If you know this, you know. Yes, because I'm Mark the mother. And she's the first girl me decide say me go even get married to. You get to me, I say. So me respect her to be the mom that she is to my son. Yeah. And otherwise, yeah. But it wasn't a move from me to undermine Bounty Killer. Me and her work together and me get to like her. I never know her. You see it? She come on TV and say she want to do a combination with her. Me come off a tour, me see the interview, me send for her. We need new talent, we need more women in the business. Like that, don't it?
Yeah.
So I sent for her. Me and her end up together. She end up getting pregnant. We end up getting married. She said she want the music. Me make certain say when she have the baby, She do the song with Vibe Cartel, Baby Father. I produce that song. I write for her part. I make the rhythm, everything.
Yeah?
Yeah. I do the video, everything. I direct the video. So, Michelle Dona, she was a great girl. Marriage never lasts long. You see it? Because he's a man where I not do certain things, I not deal with certain things. So, if it ever end up that me and my woman are going to fight, I rather left.
Why the marriage mash up though, Beenie?
Things happen. Yeah. Things happen.
Like?
I need not to say anything more. Things happen.
Things
And
happen.
yeah, I can't live with that. That me I tell her, say, if me and my woman are going to fight, I rather left.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was going there. It was definitely going there. So when I do now, I sit down and I think, say, all right, chop off her head, I go through the door. Go through the door, work better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recently though, Beenie, she has been in the press in a negative light with this OnlyFans thing where some pictures have surfaced online where she's basically nude in some of them.
That have nothing to do with me.
Your boat is the mother of your child.
Yeah.
Teenager.
And she's supposed to think about that. I can't tell her to think about her youth. She's supposed to do that. As a mother, she's not supposed to. Me and her talk about it, you know.
Yeah?
Because I call her and ask her that, and she say, yo, oh, this and that, and rare, and she have to do this and she have to do that. She never have to do that, but she did it.
But the youth probably are going to suffer at school, Beenie.
Marco didn't go ill, you know.
It no matter, other youth go there too. Youth
Other-
cruel, you know, brother. I'm a teacher, you know, I know them operate, you know, brother.
Marco didn't go ill,
Yeah.
I have nobody from Jungle, and nobody from Rima, nobody from Waterhouse, nobody from Dung.
So yeah, so the youth them now go tease him.
The
about
uptown
it.
you them, what for them mother do?
But for them mother now,
And that me I try to tell you. The youth they no business with what your mother want do. With the business where them want. Me I tell you where Marco didn't go. If him bit still a go hard then now, I know him have problem. Because them youth the cruel. Yeah.
You to go to school cruel, brother.
Nah, man.
Alright.
But you never go up there like yet.
We never go up there yet, still,
That man
brother.
up there with all 5 eye in it. Big thick glass eye. But now laugh off of them.
Yeah.
The mother laugh at them school are different, man. So Marco Dean in a safe environment when he come to school. So I think about the youth them. Because them youth they protect him more than his mother. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, with the whole killer thing again, and Vibes Cartel, kind of did a part one at the time.
Yeah, man.
Separate and apart from the song with Angel. People look on that again and said that was a move from Beenie to drive a wedge in a killer thing.
Yeah, talk about Cartel is a BEENIE MAN fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the band and me have one card with him in the BEENIE MAN fan club.
Yeah.
Them time the Vibe Cartel was a group.
Yeah.
They had it. It's
So
not
that's-
a Cartel can check me. I have a me go look for him. A Waterhouse, me there keep me sure. And him turn up the night there, where him name, Carol did up on the show. And
That Dan Mafia.
Carol, Zane?
Yeah.
Yeah, Carol did up on the show and then, what happened now? Carol said, anytime see Cartel, him I kill him. So Cartel turn up and end up killing Carol. It was a domination.
Because Waterhouse and Cartel place.
Yeah,
man.
but him never know. Tell me, I say, Waterhouse, I grew up. I tell I say, Waterhouse, I born. You see the road in front of you, do the road, all right, that's how I born. And
And alright, as I show him.
that's it. Yeah.
So what Mafia did have against Cartel though?
I don't think him like anybody apart Bounty Killer.
That include Angel?
Yeah. Him not like nobody apart. When it come to Bounty Killer, fully loaded, man. When him come up a cuss baby sham, man, and killer run him off 5 stage, man. Whole Jamaica done with him, man. Kill Gringo, dead, without chatter lyrics.
So
Yeah,
at
man.
the sort of forward from.
Yeah, him not like him.
And as such, him not like nobody run killer.
No. So that me get funny.
That you get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Fair enough.
Yeah, because every time we there around somewhere we are talking about somebody a pirate killer, him change. Like him whole
I guess him still hold killer responsible for right off him thing.
well, you have to hold yourself responsible for your career now. You can't hold no man responsible for your career. Your career is to make music.
Yeah.
You can't make nobody stop you from make music. So I think if he must continue in making music, the right music, he will have boss. But them man don't work. Them man they drink, smoke, and chat. Them man chat for 6 hours and now him can't ride the rhythm them. You make the rhythm them for him. And then him horse quick. So why can him talk loud enough? When him done talk, him horse, him can't drink too much energy, too much weed. And then the only thing I know where Carl can do when it comes to lyrics, him can trace. So if him build a lyrics, say him have a cuss you, yeah, I get cuss. Yeah, man. Dangerous guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that alone him have. But,
So the notions out there being deliberately calculated moves. You understand? To slide killer thing with Angel and Cartel. Not no go so.
no.
I just natural energy and synergy just fall in place.
People just try to profile, you know? Wrong profile, the profile no fit. That's how it go. Because, alright, me say artists do other things.
Yeah.
And nobody no say, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do this, I have to do that. Why when me do it, I have to do
BEENIE Man a superstar. BEENIE Man a smarty.
Yeah, but me do my things to please me. Me not do my things to please people.
But
Me do
people
music
probably know that.
to please people.
Perception is a hell of a thing, you know that. When somebody have a perception of you, and then I just...
Me don't want nobody have a perception.
But you can't.
A perception of yourself.
You can't grow that.
Wait up.
See? Watch it again now. There was a public falling out between you and Addy.
Me?
Yeah, man.
The public fight out between Adi and himself, man. There's a public fight.
What go on there, sir?
I don't know where you talk about.
Me know me at all.
Five Cartel?
Yes.
Alright, me tell you about me and Five Cartel. Me and Five Cartel start part and we stop part. When him reach to the point where him can manage by himself, him start move different.
Yeah.
Zane? Because remember after the Ninja Man thing, excuse me. After the Ninja Man thing, for the sting, and him kick down Ninja Man. Jamaica done with Adina. See? And me I say a bad artist, we can't make him career go so forward youth. See? Because we can't kill champion if we rise champion. So I bring him to a point where me and him are close every show. See? We there, we call it Jamboree, we mash up that, we go down a country, we call it country explosion. Island explosion. Yeah, for Island explosion, me and him close that. Flat bun tequila them and Mavada them time the way I were. Bam, so we go Mandeville down a Ginger Show. We lock off that. Everywhere me and him go, lock it off. Him reach a point where him start get him own bookings now and him start build him thing, Portmore Empire and them thing there. When him reach a point there, him start go so. Like him say, alright, him not need me no more. Because him reach to the point where him want to reach. Zane? This is the reason why I tell people say me no boss artist. Zane? Because if me boss you and you do me that, you know, a different thing me I deal with, you know. You get to me I say? So him start building him own thing and start chat some things and we go check him for do a song. Gaza me say. And him counteract my song on the rhythm. Yeah.
So
Wow.
So that was that.
Yeah.
All things between you and Addy.
Oh, I did them man not loyalty to nobody. Me and Addy not chat. Me and him must talk 2 times from him there prison. Me and him talk again after that. Because me get to realize where I deal with.
Yeah.
Him I deal with him not deal with we. See it? This they are me right now. Yes, so me there. Yeah, them see the last interview him get on TV, him say, me are the man right now, and them for know say Five Cartel around the thing right now. So there's a theme thing there. It's about Five Cartel, it's not about nobody else. So a man could get up and say, I am my king, I dance. So, yeah, what?
Was king?
Yeah, mad, you know what's not.
No, because I said that the man so you add it up and that to the work.
Yeah, when you was your dead man.
Yeah?
Yeah,
nah, man, the king can, farmer king can still alive,
farmer,
man.
not there, son.
Them D-tune.
The farmer, one king.
One king.
D-tune this. Yeah, mad, man. You get?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. You see, Adi, bad DJ. Man. You can't take it that
You're the unfair if you try that.
body. One of the baddest thing boss after me and Bounty Killer.
True.
I can't tell anybody that without apology. I not tell that with water in my mouth. Saying me give him that honor, but I'm not honor nobody, virgin. Yeah. If him have respect, him want to try do him, I try do it.
Yeah.
That me I tell her. So them man assure you say me no respect you, I care who you be and I care what you do for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, you have to know them things. Them people there you can't trust.
Yeah.
You have to know that.
Me hear see a thing earlier where you said you know boss artists cause you boss artists and then the certain things a problem.
Yeah, man.
There's remember I talk we are talking. The perception
Perception.
the perception I get out there is that Beenie Man no boss no artist and the level where Beenie Man depend Beenie Man should then do more for some youths.
For who?
Other artists in the business where I look
Tell
at boss
who we are
Beenie.
talking
Then
about.
me no know a name them my man try boss.
Who you talking about?
You understand? So
All right,
yeah, talk to me.
anybody who come around me for help, me help them, you know.
Yes.
Everybody will come around me for help. Me help all of them. That's not like me no help nobody, virgin. Me help everybody. See it? Remember, me start with Shocking Vibe Crew when BEENIE MAN run the world. Me I carry Frisco Kid them for my tour, you know, for my tour. But me could have only carry my band and my road manager. Me never have to carry nobody, virgin. But me make sure say Tanta Mitch and Devante, them have to eat. Because them are artists. Look Kirk need place to live. Him have picnic. Frisco Kid them, Alley Cat them, all of them was part of my team. None of them never get booked. No man never say, give me Shocking Vibe Crew. From your book, me your book, Shocking Vibe Crew. That are the first things I've taken care of people. That is not bossing nobody. That is putting food in your family belly. So I don't care what man wants about me or your perception of who. Perception of who. Remember say, you feed a one man, the one man they power the next 100 man, you know.
Yeah.
That in a 100 man belly, you stay there. You have to know these things. That man, they have 5 picnic. That 5 picnic they eat because of you.
Yeah.
See it? All right. Determined. When him come and say, yo, me need some of my richness, and me I say, come. Get that jump, get that. What you think me do for him? Me feed him for your life. Because him never next song like that. When Bling Dark come and me say, I'm a bad man and I don't give a... What you think me do for him? Me turn him into a star. Because him get a #1 song with a star. Me who else me fi do? Tell me now. If you come in your yard, come spoon feed them, must eat it. Remember me teach Mr. Benji, from me a little youth, from me a little youth, me I help people, you know. But you don't get no love for that. You only get love for what you do. So me love, that's why I'm glad when me do, you see that Grammy, I'm glad when me get it.
Yeah.
It's good, me that's why, you know. So I'm glad when me do for me. People can love me for what me do for me.
Yeah.
Not love me for what me do for people, because I don't do it for say. I do it for people. I do it because I can. It's not because I want, oh, that boy, they this man and me, bossy. I never hear that out of my mouth, my lad. I not depend on that, God.
Yeah.
See it? When me depend on my MTV interview and them ask me, who's the next artist out of Jamaica? I tell them Popcorn. You think me just say it because me I look nothing from Popcorn?
No, you don't need to look nothing from Popcorn.
That me I try to tell you. So you have to make people, me not do this because me I try to look fame. Me help you because you deserve help.
Yeah.
See it? So the little youth them call up on stage. And them father hold them back, you know. Baby Trish and them, you know. Because him no want to let them out for vice. For nobody else. Him want to record them and him is not a producer. So you have enough youth to me help will hold back themselves too.
Yeah.
See it? You remember me little DJ, little one? Kitty Pa.
Kitty Pa.
Change him name to Dapper. Them money no want gun away, them money no want bust. Them money just want there, yes sir. Side of being man. That's why I just send him go a foreign and say, find your foot, my youth.
Yeah.
If you can't find your left foot, chop off the right one, you must know where there. Yeah, I mean. So you have to find your foot, my youth.
Yeah. So them things in a face the doctor?
No. Mad man. If people say me no help nobody, my business at 12 pick me getting a den me for help.
Yeah.
But when somebody say me no help, me no my picking them now, then me and you have an argument.
Yeah.
That
Speaking about you helping and doing things without wanting the media fanfare,
yeah.
you have been instrumental in infrastructural developments in Watertown, schools, clinics, churches.
Enough place.
But these things are not really brought in front of the people, so people don't really know.
No, well, I build Cracktown for Cracktown, you know.
Yeah.
I never build Cracktown for the public.
Yeah.
With bathroom, them, I build down there for people, them, I want bathroom down there.
Yes.
People, them never have no bathroom, so you build bathroom, them never have no field, they build field. Them want a school down there, you build that. Them want a building, they build that. See it? My community center, where me build a water house. After water house.
That is an active project
Yeah,
right now.
right now. See it? After water house and after
The public.
water house one more. Yeah, man. So it's not like you can't do them thing there and say, all right, see it here on the front page, because the taxman still have a charge, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Your community service now have nothing to do with taxman.
Yeah.
Him still have a charge. And that me I try to tell you. See it? Because the government want for their money.
Yes.
See it? So they don't care what government not give you nothing. So you have to do it for the people.
Yeah.
So enough things we do, but it's not like for, yes, me I do it for say, yeah, my youth, you know, say, the guy around the far, where the house built up and me build it up for you, it don't make no sense. You have to do it because you have to do it from your heart.
Mm-hmm.
See it? I know say, you have enough artists who still like me, but them have people who work with them.
Yes.
We said this will look good on camera. So them get you to do that. When me I do things blue, I know, you know.
Yeah.
Him just say 1 million spend run, sir. And him go see it. I say, what? Take 2 pictures. Me not dep on that, me not the hype thing.
But I love to come take 2 pictures of some of the things. Them still I work. Me I work, you know, brother.
Alright, you see Water House project?
Yeah.
Me I build you upon it.
Yeah, man. Let's
See?
work,
So right now, me have a next project I finish, which is this.
The studio.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
in there.
the rest of the equipment them me wait on for coming. When me done this now, I'm head level, firehouse. Can I buy the equipment them for Water House already?
Mm-hmm.
See? So any day, them see me coming to the shovel and they borrow them
Problem.
at one time.
One
yeah.
go.
Yeah, man. Cause if it take 3 weeks or 3 weeks straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You made mention of, because I kind of run interview based on following your lead. You know. You made mention of the taxman still go want him thing.
Yeah.
There was a story in relation to BEENIE MAN and tax evasion.
Nah, me and them good, man. Them do have my money.
Yeah?
Yeah, but me have to cut it down on them.
You have to cut it down for
Yeah.
them. Everything balanced now.
Yeah, me and them good, man.
I'm glad for you that.
Them have liar, me have liar too, you know. Yeah, you understand that? Yeah, me a Jamaican, you know.
Yeah.
Me have all right to defend myself.
Naturally.
Yeah, if you accuse me, say me owe you 49 million, you have to tell me which part me owe you 49 million. And with 49 million of my money, you know how much that?
That was the actual figure.
Yeah, that them say me owe there. So them see me with 3 or more or something. I saw them estimate me.
So I estimated 49
Million. Me and them go quote. Come on, know which part me owe you 49 million. You will tell me that.
That thing they resolved. You know.
Yeah,
But
them-
glad there has been some resolution to
Yeah,
that.
man, win the case. But you still have to pay tax.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah. Moving the case there, but
Yeah.
yeah, tax at the year. Yeah.
Man thing.
Yeah, we pay tax back. I have to still give them my money out of that, you know. 'Cause when them done work out a thing.
Yes.
I just deal with that while they have still pay tax every year. Yeah. Yeah. Because I have said 49 million, they might come over you carry them at your house and everything. That
What
them
thing
a
them
come
a come for, brother?
Anything can move, gone in it. That me I tell you. Them couldn't come in my yard. That. You see that. I call my lawyer. Yeah. Once you have a case, them can't touch nothing.
Can't front the court.
Yeah. Them can't do that.
Yeah?
Yeah, them can't do that.
Yeah.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.